Hello everyone, I am K. Sai Namrata Chaudhary from ITB section. My roll number is 22PQ1A1283. Today I would like to say about division method of hashing. First of all, what is hashing? It is the process of inserting and retrieving a element from a array or some particular location in a faster way. Here, to access that element or to insert that element in a faster way, we make use of hash key. This hash key is an index which is generated by using a hash function. Here, hash function gives a particular index value in which the data or actual value is stored or accessed from that particular location, and the values which we are going to store are stored in the form of hash table. The hash table may look like this. Here hash key gives indexes and these indexes are generated by using hash function. Here we have many ways to generate a hash key from hash function, and different hash functions are used in different methods. Now I would like to say about division method. Here it is the simple way of hashing which is used to generate a hash key, and based on that hash key, hash value is stored. And to generate hash key, we use the hash function. Use of the form. Here to generate a hash function, we use a mathematical formula which is nothing but hash function. Hash h of key is equal to key module hash table size. Here key is nothing but the value which we are going to store in hash table. Hash table size is nothing but the size of the table in which we are storing the values. Let us go with the example. Consider the elements
Start.
So, suppose consider the elements like this: 6, 2, 40, 33, 29, 17, 55, 11, 8, 48. Perform division method and store the values in hash table. Here I already told that using hash key we store the value at a particular location, which are nothing but these are the values, and this hash key is generated from hash function, which is nothing but h of k is equal to key module hash table size. Here any size is not specified. In that condition, take the size of hash table as number of elements we consider. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here I consider hash table size, which is nothing but m, as 10. Now we need to insert element one by one. So draw a table, hash table of size 10. Here this part represents the indices, which is nothing but hash key. This part represents the value to be stored, locations for values to be stored. As we all know,
Start.
first value is 6. So insert 6. Key equal to 6. So now we need to calculate the hash value for this key using hash function, which is nothing but h of 6, that equal to, here key is 6, module hash table size, which is nothing but 10. Here it is modular operation, which gives the remainder. When we divide 10 with 6, remainder is 6. So here 6 is inserted at 6th position. Next, step 2. Next element is 2. Here key is equal to 2. Again we need to find the index value where 2 is to be stored using hash function. So h of 2 equal to key is 2, module hash table size 10. That means 2. Here 2 need to be stored at second index position. So 2. Next, step 3. Insert 14. That means key equal to 14. Then we need to calculate the hash value using the hash function. H of 14. That means 14 module 10. Then 4. So we get hash value, that is hash key as 4. So 14 need to be stored at 4th index position. Next element is 33. H of 33. 33 mod 10, which is nothing but 3. So 33 need to be stored at 3rd index position. Next element is 29. That means key is equal to 29. Then we need to calculate the hash key value using hash function. Then 29 mod 10, which is nothing but 9. So 29 need to be stored at 9th index location. Next, key equal to 17. So we need to find the hash value using the hash function. Then 17 mod 10, which is nothing but 7. So 17 should be stored at 7th index location. Next, key equal to 55. Next we need to find the hash value. 55 mod 10, which is nothing but 5. So 55 need to be stored at 5th index location. Next, key equal to 11. Hash key is nothing but 11 mod 10, which means 1. So 11 should be stored at 1st index location. Next, key equal to 18. Then hash key value 18 mod 10, which gives the value as 8 hash value. So 18 should be stored at 8th index location. Next, key equal to 48. Then hash value is, but here we get hash key value as 8, which is already filled. This situation is said to be the collision situation, as we are unable to insert the value at 8th position. If we try to insert the value at 8th position, then the value which is already previous at 8th position may get erased by this value. So it is against the hashing principle. So this is the disadvantage with the division method. As the values get, as the hash table is completely filled, then the number of collisions become more and it is unable to insert elements at for large values or for large data. Advantage is it is easy to understand and easy to perform. Thank you.